Mihang'o githinjiro-ini giki o muthenya ikoragwo iri ya njuki muhungairwa kuona nikio githinjiro kinene kaunti-ini ya Kitui na kiria kiri rungu rwa urugamiriri wa thirikari ya kaunti ino. No umuthi mihang'o yothe njini thararire guku maabitha a ruhonge rwa kumenyerera maria maturigiceirie nema makihura birigiceni yothe ru githinjiro-ini giki. Maumirira ma birigiceni ino maabitha aya maugite ikiro cia utheru itirathingatwo guku na uguo githinjiro no kihingirwo.
We have made comprehensive inspection. Unfortunately, we have found that they fail to adhere to some minimum compliance standards and so forth. We have given them a stop order.
Mamwe ma maria urugamiriri wa githinjiro giki urahinyiririo thingate ni mitaro ya gutegeko amu kwa ihinda riri giko gia githinjiro giki ni ugwati kuri maria maturigiceirie.
Most of the drainage systems that are required to adhere to standards, they are not working, and so it poses a high environmental pollution level.
All the effluent that comes out of this slaughter is getting to the environment without any form of treatment, and it's unfortunate that this slaughter belongs to the county government.
Iguru ria giko mitaro-ini riratherera nginyagia nyunjure wa aikari ta aya ugwati ungi ututungeirie ni gututhuka kwa mirimu ingirehwo ni ngi kuona githinjiro giki no gitwikite mucii wa ngigitango ta uria director wa nema gicigo-ini giki aratariria.
You can see the way that wastewater is getting to almost where the residents are, and you can see even the number of flies around there. It is really making people around here not to live in a clean and healthy environment.
Riu githinjiro giki kiria kihokeirwo magana ma buchere Kitui kihingitwo kwa ihinda ritoekaine nginyagia riria magathingata ikiro cia utheru. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.